Struggling to cut your flooring materials cleanly? Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, having the right tools is essential. Today, we're diving into floor cutters, what they are, how they work, and how to choose the perfect one for your next project. What is a floor cutter? A floor cutter is a tool designed to slice through various flooring materials like laminate, vinyl, and tiles with precision. Unlike traditional saws that can create a mess of dust, floor cutters provide clean, crisp cuts, making them a go-to tool for home improvement projects. If you're looking for accuracy and a tidy workspace, floor cutters shine. No sawdust to clean up afterward. They're especially useful for DIYers aiming for professional-level results without the hassle. Whether you're installing vinyl planks or cutting ceramic tiles, floor cutters ensure smooth, straight cuts, helping you achieve that flawless finish every time. Plus, they're much quieter and more user-friendly than their noisy, bulky counterparts. So, if you're aiming for a clean, precise, and hassle-free flooring job, a floor cutter is the way to go. Types of floor cutters. Manual floor cutters. These cutters are perfect for smaller jobs. They're lightweight and easy to use, relying on a lever and sharp blade to create clean cuts through thinner materials like laminate or vinyl. No electricity needed. Just apply pressure and you're done. Manual cutters are the go-to for DIY enthusiasts working on smaller projects. They're cost-effective and great for quick, no-mess cuts. Electric powered floor cutters. If you're tackling a larger job or cutting thicker, denser materials, electric floor cutters are the way to go. These machines have a motor-driven rotating blade that can easily slice through tough materials like ceramic tiles, stone, or thick vinyl. While they're pricier and bulkier than manual cutters, they offer speed and precision, making them ideal for professionals or larger-scale projects. These cutters save you time, especially when you need to make precise cuts on a tight deadline. They're perfect for anyone looking for a high-powered, efficient tool to handle the tough stuff. How does a floor cutter work? Manual floor cutter. Here's how it works. You press down on the lever, which applies pressure to a sharp blade, and that's how you get a clean, straight cut through your flooring material. The beauty of the manual cutter is its simplicity. There's no dust or mess, just a precise, quick cut. You guide the cutter along your material, and it cuts effortlessly with minimal force. Whether you're working indoors or in a small space, manual cutters are quiet and easy to use. No power source, no loud noise, and no cleanup afterward. This makes them a favorite for smaller DIY projects or home renovations. Electric floor cutter. For more demanding projects, electric cutters come into play. Powered by a motor, the rotating blade can slice through tough materials like stone or thick ceramic tiles. The power and versatility of electric cutters allow you to make more intricate cuts, including angles and curves, quickly and efficiently. These tools are great for large-scale installations where you need speed and precision. With an electric cutter, you'll get through that massive pile of tile or thick vinyl in no time. However, keep in mind they're heavier and require a power source. Still, they're an essential for professionals or anyone working on big projects. Advantages of using a floor cutter. Floor cutters are game changers for any flooring project. First, they provide ultra-precise, clean cuts, perfect for a professional finish. Unlike saws that scatter sawdust everywhere, floor cutters keep the mess to a minimum, which is great for indoor use or small workspaces. The ability to achieve clean edges means less time spent on touch-ups, giving you a seamless flooring finish. Manual floor cutters are budget-friendly and ideal for DIYers, while powered cutters make tackling tougher materials faster and easier. They're easy to use, reducing the learning curve, and can handle multiple flooring materials from laminate to tiles to vinyl. Whether you're a homeowner or a pro, floor cutters ensure that your flooring project is smooth, accurate, and efficient. Limitations of floor cutters. Despite their benefits, floor cutters aren't perfect for every job. Manual cutters struggle with thicker, denser materials like stone or thick tiles, where an electric model is far more effective. Powered cutters, while faster, tend to be bulky and noisy, and require a power source, which can be limiting when working in large areas or outdoors. For intricate curves or highly detailed cuts, you might still need a specialized tool to achieve the best result. But overall, for most standard flooring projects, floor cutters are a great choice. Floor cutters provide an easy, clean, and precise solution for any flooring job. Whether you choose a manual or powered cutter, selecting the right tool will help you achieve a flawless finish.